teacher training course, which I have been thinking of doing it from so.
So we have reached to Uttarakhand. This is a beautiful posture on my head.
So I'm just having chai and then I'll be there for some time. Hello everybody. So I am embarking to my new journey, solo journey basically, to an unknown destination. Jokes apart, I'm going to Rishikesh, guys, and I had this on my cards from a very long period of time, but I was not getting a chance to visit Rishikesh because my plan was to do a yoga teacher training course over there, and it takes quite long days, like 200 to 300 hours training course hota hai. But finally, then since I am free, I'm gonna do this course. Plus, I have gonna to go to Dehradun today, and the plan is to stay in the hotel today and then roam around Dehradun in the morning and in the evening, and next day again to go to Haridwar and Masuri, most probably. I'm liking the vibe, like simplicity kind of vibe is there. Hello everybody. So I am in Bengaluru, Kampigowda, and sorry, airport. मैं रात भर सोई नहीं हूँ, so मेरा दिमाग नहीं चल रहा. But I was so excited because I've just planned a trip to the Dehradun destination. Actually, I'm going to Rishikesh, and I have a plan to do the yoga teacher training course, which I have been thinking of doing it from so long. बट मुझे छुट्टी नहीं मिलती थी. बट अभी जब भी मैं जॉब नहीं कर रही हूँ, तो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू दिस प्लेस एंड लाइक अष्टांग योगा आश्रम, एंड आई एम जस्ट गोना डू अ 200 hours yoga teacher training course and just gonna have fun. For now I have ordered, I just came into this place, KFC के अंदर घुस के भूख लग रही थी मुझे, so I'm just having this chicken wings. Trust me, अभी भी कुछ दिन मुझे नॉनवेज नहीं मिलने वाला है. थोड़ा बहुत चिकन फिश खा सकती हूँ मैं. अभी देहरादून भी मस्ती करूँगी. सो I'm gonna sit here and plan my itinerary because I am a very much impulsive traveler. People are impulsive buyers. I am an impulsive traveler. I just travel. I just thought overnight I have to go somewhere. So and I booked my flight tickets to Dehradun. And finally I'm leaving to Dehradun today. I have a flight at 3 and I'm sitting in the airport. Check-in सब हो चुका है and I'm having my lunch. So thinking what next. So I have trust me guys, so I have been stayed vegetarian for around more than 12 years, and then I don't know how I converted to non-vegetarian again. But this chicken popcorn is just amazing in the airport. So beautiful here, and just look at the airport. So पहुँच चुके हैं और I had a very nice sleep. बहुत अच्छे से सोई मैं, और I am just gonna go and collect my package and I'll be heading towards my hotel directly, क्योंकि मैंने होटल बुक किया है जाखन में, जो कि अराउंड 28 किलोमीटर्स है जॉली ग्रांट एयरपोर्ट से. और रास्ते में आई होप दैट I'm gonna see good scenic beauty, and it's not gonna disappoint us at all. Let's go. Let's come. As for expectations, this airport seems to be pretty beautiful and not that crowded. And look at the mountains here. Gives you feeling even in the mountains again, but बहुत गर्मी है. 30 degrees है यहाँ पर. बैंगलोर ज़्यादा ठंडा था actually. I don't know what to do. Let me take something from here to the hotel. I have reached my room, Rosewood, and it is in Jharkhand. So it's in Rajpura Road basically. So the benefit of this is that this place is centrally located, and I will have access to all the nice tourist spots from this place. Like it's around 2.5 kilometers almost from like walking distance from here. So the room seems to be quite decent, not that happening, but yeah, it's fine. See the room. And this place seems to even have a rooftop cafe also, so I'll just freshen up and then chai.
भैया आपकी चाय, 3 चाय आपकी। वो बोल रहे कि वो वाला तो बेवकूफ ने एजेंसी भिजवा दिया वापस, जो साइड में दिया था इन्हें।
So far update from Uttarakhand, Dehradun. So मैं शाम को यहाँ पर पहुँची and like I went checked in the hotel, and after that I took a nap for 40-45 minutes. I was so damn tired, or I'm just going to explore the market now to find out chai places and food eating places. So मैंने देखा कुछ restaurants and they were like the top rating restaurants, but I wanted to eat something really nice. कल मैं थोड़ा fancy restaurant जाऊँगी, आज मैं थोड़ा पराठा and normal chai kind of stuff I'm gonna find out for myself. So that is what. And second thing, the people here are so sweet. Like they are really so helpful. So मुझे बस वाले ने directly होटल के सामने उतारा, and without me asking him, he was so sweet of guiding me throughout the way. Like did not have सीधे बस बता दिया कि ऐसे मैडम ऐसे पकड़ के जाना है. It was nothing complicated. I did not have to put in so much of effort to find out places, find out people. I have taken a central location. It's a little far from the Raleigh area, but trust me, it's worth, because then you have a lot of happening places nearby. And I'm gonna visit few temples tomorrow in the morning, and then cave visit is on the cards tomorrow. So night view for me today, and you can have a look in the city town over here. Dehradun ka market. It's like that. It's like a small cute little town, and I'm liking it actually. Very simplistic vibe, and away from the it's very different from Bangalore actually. Trust me, very different from Bangalore. Today is 25th, the morning today, and okay, thank you. So I am here in the morning. I'm here for chai. This is my chai, and can you see it? So it's early morning, and then so this guy over here is making bread pakora and chai. And I'm craving for this as well. Today's plan is to visit 2 places in Dehradun and then leave Dehradun by the end of the day and go to somewhere else. Dehradun is supposed to be a small quiet town. उतना कुछ है नहीं इधर, तो मैं उतना ज़्यादा तो एक्सप्लोर नहीं कर पाऊँगी इधर पे. But yeah, there are 2-3 places over here which I feel that I should go visit before leaving Dehradun, and I would be heading towards Haridwar. That would be my target, because Haridwar में मुझे दर्शन करना है, थोड़ा टाइम स्पेंड करूँगी वहाँ. शांति कुंज है, I can visit that place as well, and those places plus उसके बाद मेरा पॉइंट होगा मुझे जाना है केदारनाथ दर्शन करने के लिए. And after Kedarnath, my plan would be going to Badrinath also. So this will be my journey basically, and I am planning towards it. I'm really very excited. सुबह उठने के बाद I could have left earlier because I had an interview today at around 10:30, 11 o'clock. तो I was studying from morning and प्रिपेयर करते करते टाइम का पता भी नहीं चला. प्लस चेकआउट टाइम भी हो चुका है, तो I'll keep my stuff in the hotel. Hello everybody. So I'm going to Robbers Cave, which was around 3 to 5 kilometers from my hotel basically. तो मैंने रैपिडो किया है तो, और मैं जा रही हूँ. Show you the Robbers Cave. it's drizzling, really drizzling, and I don't want it to get wet, but I don't know, somehow I don't have umbrella, nor do I have any other way to protect myself, but it's okay to get wet. आप ले चलोगे? बढ़िया। कितना टाइम लगेगा भैया अगर
आप रुकना जाओगे?
हाँ,
बारिश आ रही है, आप रुकना चाहोगे?
रुकते थोड़े देर भैया, पूरा भीग जाओगे नहीं तो। Hello, it's raining very bad today and I am stuck into it. I was going to Robbers Cave but unfortunately रुकना पड़ गया. So you can see the roads here. Raining how it's raining. Oh. Such a steep slope. So मैं हूँ गुद्दूची केव्स के पास and as you can see that this is right now a bit closed because of the rain, so everybody is waiting outside और मैं भी बाहर वेट करने वाली हूँ क्योंकि मुझे अंदर तो जाना ही है. चलो भैया, अगर चल सकते तो चलते हैं. एक बार पूछ लेती हूँ वहाँ सेफ है कि नहीं. भैया कैमरा देके चुप हो जाते हैं. Hello guys, so the update is गुद्दूची केव्स is closed और कोई रास्ता नहीं है अभी खुलने का बिकॉज बहुत बारिश हो रही है ऊपर में. तो ये कह रहे हैं कि अभी खोलने वाले नहीं है, कोई चांस नहीं है. So instead of wasting my time, I am planning let's go to Mussoorie. It's around 20 kilometers from here. So the same Rapido guy, will be charging around 15 rupees per kilometer and take me to Mussoorie itself on the scooty, basically electric scooty. So I don't know if it's how feasible that is, but let's try to do something.
पंद्रह बज गए ना, 15 देवी जी, है ना. हाँ तो पैसे 15 बज गए.
भैया रेनकोट कहाँ मिलेगा? हाँ इधर क्या प्राइस है?
क्या चीज?
रेनकोट का? रेनकोट
100 रुपए.
फिर मुझे एक दे दो ना.
निकाल लो वहाँ से मैम.
40
मेरे पसंद से 3 साल यूज कर रहे हैं. पीला भाई यहाँ पे
हेलो, सो आई एम टेकिंग दिस रेनकोट बिकॉज इट्स रेनिंग वेरी बैड ओवर हियर. और पहन के मैं जाने वाली हूँ मसूरी. आई थिंक इट विल बी फन. लेट मी ट्राई. बाय दैट टाइम, बाय 4 o'clock आई थिंक आई विल बी बैक एंड देन आई कैन डिसाइड आई एम गोइंग बैक टू हरिद्वार. जस्ट एक्साइटेड ओवरऑल. I have ordered one veg Maggi just to see how the experience goes.
छान के दे थोड़ा सीधी पकाई ना.
small river stream at the backside of the Robbers Cave, and since the caves are closed, we can see this. Hello, so this is the Tapkeshwar Mahadev Mandir, and you can see people. There is one Shakumburi Mata Mandir as well over here. Hello guys, sorry for interrupting you in my vlog for now. I just realized while I was editing my vlog कि मैंने story नहीं बताई है टपकेश्वर महादेव की और why it is such a famous temple in Dehradun. So the reason behind it being so famous is that कि टपकेश्वर महादेव मंदिर में खुद ही शिव भगवान ने अश्वत्थामा को वरदान दिया और वहाँ पर दूध की धारा बहा दी। कथा के अनुसार कहा जाता है कि ऋषि द्रोणाचार्य के जो पुत्र थे अश्वत्थामा और उनकी वाइफ वहाँ रहते थे। उनके पास उतना पैसे नहीं थे, इतने साधन नहीं थे, तो अश्वत्थामा की तपस्या से खुश होकर अश्वत्थामा को वरदान देते हैं भगवान शिव की वहाँ दूध की धारा ही बहा दी, को खाने पीने की कोई कमी ना हो इसके वजह से। और तभी से ये मंदिर बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्रसिद्ध हो गया है। आगे चढ़कर वो जो दूध की धारा थी वो पानी में तब्दील हो गई, लाइक कन्वर्ट हो चुकी है, और इसी वजह से लोग वहाँ पर इतनी ज़्यादा भक्तों की ज़्यादा जमा होती है। तो लेट्स कंटिन्यू माय नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द व्लॉग। सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट। Temple premises. मैंने भगवान टपकेश्वर महादेव पे जल चढ़ाया और मैंने बहुत अच्छे से पूजा किया। तो मुझे यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छी फीलिंग आ रही है, लाइक बहुत शांति की फीलिंग आ रही है और ऐसा महसूस हो रहा है जैसे सब कुछ अच्छा हो रहा है, मेरा सहस्त्रार खुल गया है एंड इट्स सो हैप्पी हो गई है। दिस इज़ अ फीलिंग ऑफ ब्लिस दैट वी गेट इन टेम्पल्स एंड दिस इज़ रियली अमेजिंग। उत्तराखंड इज़ अमेजिंग। I'll take you to the rest of the temple, but I couldn't show you in zoom about the Shivlinga because like if the पंडित देख लेते तो मुझे डांट पड़ती, but साइड से मैंने थोड़ी फुटेज ली थी, so I'll zoom that in the video. Guys, we are going to the Vaishno Devi Gupt Mata Mandir. It used to be like a very narrow passage through the cave.
जय माता दी, जय माता दी, जय माता दी, जय माता दी, जय माता रानी, जय माता दी।